Here I'm building another attachment for the Y table, and I'm using the same system as I used on the Z-axis. So if you want to find out how I'm doing with this, have a look at my Z-axis sled, and you'll see how I'm building this up as well. Okay, there's basically two butterfly bolt nuts rather, and I've hot glued them together with a washer in between so that they don't act like lock nuts. And as soon as I've done this piece here, will go over the top, and then where these two square holes are where they'll attach to the ink cartridge carrier of the printer track. Okay, I'll show you more when I've done more. Okay, here's an update. As you can see, I've now got the butterfly nuts well and truly trapped in there, absolutely going nowhere, and there's there's no movement whatsoever. Okay, now to bring it up to the height for this piece to latch onto the cartridge carrier, I have to put another piece over the top as a spacer, then that will sit on the top and connect onto the carriage, and then we can see the Y carriage go backwards and forwards. Okay peeps, onwards we go. Here's the final piece that sits on the top before securing the connecting piece. And what I've had to do is drill out a small pocket just to take the hump in the screw, in the glue. So that's what it will look like. And when you're doing this, to make sure that your threaded bar is level all the time, is whatever timber you're using to make this up, always have the bottom piece, the same size, same thickness, bottom piece on the bottom at the other end, so you then on a known flat surface, because then you will be certain of the threaded bar being parallel at this point, which is what you definitely want, and parallel all the way along obviously. Okay peeps.